Hey everyone, this is Nicholas at StrongSuit. We're really excited to have you here with us, and I'll be giving you a brief tour of our platform. We'll start here at the top right, where you should see your name and an avatar icon. Clicking this will show you a drop-down where you can manage your account, adjust your billing, schedule an onboarding session, and log out. On our platform, we have a wide range of solutions for everyday legal tasks. We categorize our different solutions by type, such as litigation, general tools, and contracts. However, all of our workflows are simple, but powerful enough to be used for any type of legal task across different categories. Now, if you have a project in mind, but you don't know where to start, you can ask our StrongSuit concierge, which can be found here at the bottom of the page. Just a note, our concierge can only point you to the right solutions on our platform for your task. It does not have the ability to answer any legal questions you may have or the ability to conduct any work. To start, just select the solution you'd like to use. If you want to know how it works, we provide tutorial videos in their descriptions that you can view at any time. Now, to find any past projects you started or completed, you can see them here in our prior task bar on the left, displayed with the most recent ones at the top. Alternatively, if you want to organize your projects, you can do so in our Matter portal. And if you'd like to know more about our data privacy policy, that can be found down below. And last, if you have any questions or feedback for us at StrongSuit, you have direct access to our amazing customer support team here. Our StrongSuit agent will be the first to greet and assist you, but our support team continually monitors all questions and jumps into the rescue at any time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy StrongSuit.